What's going on, guys? Today we are going to do a quick review of the Google Wi-Fi system. This is the AC1200. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the system, including one thing you should know before buying. So my wife and I got this because we have a internet service provider, and they basically told us that the pods they gave us to extend the Wi-Fi throughout our house will actually reduce the quality of the signal by half every single time, which is really stupid. And it's a very popular internet service provider, and we are told that the Google system will not do that. So, we decided to go with this. And I have to say, it's been very, very easy. And yes, indeed, it is very fast. I'll actually show you different speed tests in real time so you can see just how much faster it is. So when we did it, we actually got 3 of the pods. This is just one of them. None of this is actually right here. None of this actually matters anymore, so I don't mind showing it. But it's really easy for setup. I'm not going to go through the whole setup. I think it's just a waste of your time. But it's very simple. You basically plug them in. You scan this little QR code right here, and then it basically syncs with the Google Home app. So if you are not technologically inclined and you're nervous about that, don't be. It's extremely, extremely simple to do. I would say it's easier than pretty much any other Wi-Fi setup I've had to do in the past. Now, our house is 4,000 square feet. So we have a rather big house. We have one right here. We have one on the other side of the wall over here. That's where the master bedroom is. And then we have one, you can't really see it, but it's all the way behind the couch over there, right? So we have them 3 all set throughout the house. We've had absolutely no problem with coverages, and the signal strength is significantly better than what we use with our regular internet. So before I get into the live tests, I'm gonna do a screen recording here just to kind of show you the app a little bit, show you how easy it is. Very simple to label everything in that. I'll show you that first, and then I'll actually do the live test so that you can see that this bad boy right here absolutely destroys our regular modem router combo that we get from the internet provider. Okay, guys, so this is the Google Home app. You can use it vertical or horizontal. This is the horizontal version of it. And basically, you can see here in the left side, we have the family room, we have the loft, and then we have the master bedroom, right? Those are the 3 devices. The master bedroom Wi-Fi, that is where the main router is, and then I have 2 access points. I know they're labeled as Google Wi-Fi routers. I just never changed them, but those are basically access points. Those 2 ones up there, and then this one down here, the master bedroom, that is the main router. It's really simple. So you can click in, you can basically see, right? Wi-Fi router is connected, online, everything's good. You can run a speed test if you'd like to do that. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so the internet speed you can see is blazing fast according to them. We have 866 millibytes per second download and 108 millibits per second upload, right? That is really, really good, especially compared to my regular internet provider. Let's go ahead and run a test on that now. Okay, so now I have changed it to the other Wi-Fi network that we have. We still have my internet service provider's network as well, just because it's a router modem combo, so there really was no reason to delete it. All right, so as you can see, this is actually pretty fast compared to what it usually is, to be honest with you. But as you can see, it is definitely significantly faster with the Google Wi-Fi mesh system. So extremely happy with it overall. So that's it, guys. That is the Google Nest. The proof is in the pudding, right? I just showed you with speed tests. This is just faster. And I actually pulled all the pods out of my internet service provider too to try to speed it up. So it actually wasn't a terrible speed on there, but I definitely want it faster. Work from home. We do a lot of uploading, downloading, etc. So we really need something great. And this guy right here is incredible. And it's really just good. Overall, the app is awesome. Really good experience with it. Definitely recommend if you're considering it.